In this video, I will be solving the extra front problem of the string1 section. Here comes the 5 seconds break for you to pause and attempt this problem on your own. Alright, let's read the problem statement. Given a string, return a new string made of 3 copies of the first 2 characters of the original string. The string may be of any length. If there are fewer than 2 characters, use whatever is there. So in the extraFront method, we will be given a string str and we need to return the 3 copies of its first 2 characters. However, if there are fewer than 2 characters, then we need to use whatever is present there. So basically there are 2 possibilities here. First one, in which the length of the string is less than 2, and another one in which length of the string is greater than or equal to 2. If we talk about first case, in which the string str is shorter than 2 characters, so in this case we cannot extract the first 2 characters from the given string, and we are only left by returning the result as str plus str plus str, or 3 copies of whatever the string is present. However, in the second case or scenario, in which we are having the length of the string as greater than or equal to 2 characters, in this case we can safely extract out the first 2 characters and then return the result as the 3 copies of that given substring. So how do we extract the result? So we can write something like string front is equal to str dot substring from 0 till 2, and finally we can return front plus front plus front. So yeah, this is the logic, and we can also extract the length in a separate variable like len, and use these conditions to solve this problem. Now let's code extra front solution. Yes. So if len is less than 2, in this case we return str 3 times, since there is nothing else to extract out. Else we first fetch out the front part and yes, and then return 3 copies of that front part or the first 2 characters. Let's run the test cases and verify. Yes, all of them are passing. And also let's try to submit this code on the platform. Working fine. But you know, this thing can also be further simplified. Let me show you how. We can write this return statement in a single line by using the ternary operator. So we can first of all extract the front, whose logic is dependent on the length. So we can do it in a single line only if len is less than 2. If that is the case, so front will be nothing but str only. If this is not the case, then front will be nothing but str dot substring from 0 till 2. And finally we can return this thing, write this thing. Once again let's verify. Yeah, still working fine. Now let me finally submit this code on the platform and push the code on GitHub. Extra front. Yes. Okay. And verify the code has been uploaded successfully. Done.